How do I activate the Capitec online app?
In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to activate the Capitec online app on your smartphone. Let's dive in.
What do I need before I start?
Before you begin, make sure you have the following: a Capitec account, a registered mobile number with Capitec, a smartphone with internet access.
How do I download the Capitec app?
1. Open your smartphone's App Store, Google Play Store or Apple App Store. 2. Search for Capitec Bank. 3. Download and install the app.
How do I register for the online app?
1. Open the Capitec app on your smartphone. 2. Click on Get Started. 3. Enter your registered mobile number and click Next. 4. Follow the prompts to complete your registration note. You'll receive an SMS with a one-time PIN, OTP, to verify your mobile number.
How do I activate the app with my banking details?
1. On the app's home screen, tap Sign In. 2. Enter your Capitec account number and click Next. 3. Enter your remote banking PIN and click Next. 4. Follow the prompts to complete the activation note. If you don't have a remote banking PIN, visit your nearest Capitec branch to create one.
How do I log into the app after activation?
1. Open the Capitec app on your smartphone. 2. Tap Sign In. 3. Enter your Capitec account number and remote banking PIN. 4. Tap Next to access your account. Congratulations! You've successfully activated the Capitec online app. Now you can enjoy banking on the go. If you have any issues or questions, contact Capitec's customer support for assistance.